Hey Joe, it's Doug. I wanted to just give you a quick rundown on what the new printing functionality looks like. What we do is we enable this functionality on your site, and you'll see a new set of things here to define options, material sizes, font settings, whatever you want to do. I've created one item, one sign called Reflective ACM 20 by 7 rider, or some bogus prices. And where this gets used is up in your inventory. You'll have a new thing here which is called templates, and I've created a couple of templates for your Berkshire Hathaway people. One's a single line rider, the other one's a 2-line rider. And what ends up happening here is the customers can add this during their sign installation. They can order it as an inventory item. They can order it a bunch of different ways, but I'll just show you how it works real quick. By the way, after it gets printed, once they order it, we create a print-ready file for you. You just send it to the printer. Once you mark it as completed, SignTracker also sets it up to add it to your inventory, so it really smooths out the process. So I'm just going to pick one of the agents I was looking at before. I think her name is Yang. There we go. Choose her. Let's see if that works for us. And of course, I got to improve her stuff here. And I'm just going to say, yang at fox.com, whatever. And great. And fine. So now we're going to be logged in. Now you'll see there's an opportunity here to order sign prints. So she could do this from her inventory view. If she had some inventory that was available, she could order it here. Or she could also place an order by uploading some artwork to you or using a template already. Like if she wanted to order a rider ahead of time, she could find those 2 riders right here, or panels for that matter, doesn't really matter. But if she wants to order it during the installation process, which is really the fun part of this. Yeah, I want to leave, sorry. I'm going to order a new sign installation. I'm going to pick, some address, I need a post with a luxury double post, which has a rider here. There we go. And I'm going to pick some address. Doesn't really matter what I'm choosing here. 45, whatever. Great. But now I'm going to add a panel like I normally would. There's the panel. I want to add the rider like I normally would. You've got inventory stuff you already have here. Here's your old style hang downs, but here's the designer function now. She can just pick this, for example, choose that, and it's going to say, what do you want? Call Yang, and her number is 555, whatever it is. Great. And this actually will scale down, it'll bump down a little bit. You can also adjust the margins of the text and stuff. I'm just trying to throw it together for you. The materials that are available are the ACM. Do we need holes? We need them holes on top maybe. It's $20 now. Thank you. And she's going to add that to her installation. And again, you can adjust these margins, whatever. We're not seeing a price here, but if the price was showing, it would quote that additional item. You'll see it in the detail over here. You can also then, of course, get rid of all these different details here if you wanted to. So I want to confirm the order. County, I don't know what it is, some, and location marker, not marked. Confirm that. So now she's got a print order that's going on here, and if you look at her current installs, we're going to see the new orders sitting there. It's pending customer review, so you have to look at it. But she looks at it here. Here's the panel. Here's the new rider. It's a virtual item because it's not been completed yet. So we're going to sort of pop out of here, stop impersonating. We're going to look at the customer review. We're going to approve this order. See, it needs more panels here. We're going to say it's approved. Actually, how do I do that? I got to approve this, approved by management. There we go. It's great. Now, by the way, you have your current installs will still show here now, and she still needs panels here. And if you look down here, you have a new section called print orders. And in the print order section, there's the new print she has to do. So you would open this thing here. You take a look at it. It's in status print processing. It's 20 by 7, holes, There's the notes. Here's the files that were created. The PNG file is a thumbnail, so the customer can't copy it, but you can take a look at it. That's the thing that was generated for you. You probably take this EPS or SVG and print that. So let's say you go ahead and you do print it. That's very good. Boom. Now it's been printed or being printed. Now it's going to say she ordered one. What location are you putting it in? It's going to be normally, C105 or something. If you created a different artwork file, you could upload it here if you modified it, right? Or you probably didn't. Or you could, if you've modified it and you just want to store it on your own servers, you could say it's here, but now SignTracker knows we don't have to generate something in the future. And the serial number, you know, what would you put in here? Looks like the last one's 10,000 something, so I'll just try to put something in here. But you try to use a real number, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add that item. A quantity was 1. We're going to go ahead and add that. So now this lives in her inventory. It's ready to go. Go back to current installs. We're still maybe waiting for utility demarc here. Let's see. Looks like it's all been swept through there. There's the order. It's ready to go. If you open the order, you're going to see everything is in there. Just get that serial number we just added. Everything's ready to go. And by the way, this is a little notice here. You can't pop this thing off. Sometimes, you know, you can edit and delete items over here. This is just telling you that the customer can't back out of this once the print is going on. So trying to protect you from doing that. So really cool capability. It's pretty cheap. Actually, you can see it's going to save you a ton of time. If you want to get going on it, just let me know. We'll turn it on. There's a couple of tutorials for this. What it costs you is 3% of the print price. So if you did this one for, looks like we're quoting it for $20, it would cost you 60 cents maybe. A lot more time saved than that. Let me know if you're interested. Talk to you later.